Oh. Juniper loves Peapot because he will make her noodles for breakfast. That's all she ever wants to eat.
Oh,
again. Oh. She gives him tons of kisses. Oh my goodness. We had toast and bananas and eggs and rice, and all she wanted were noodles.
Yeah? Yeah, right there. Come on. Oh, huh?
Bye! And we are on our way. This is our last day. We're gonna go, we hike about an hour, then we do a river rafting, and then I think another waterfall. We're gonna go swimming. Yep. Bleu. Gawa.
Gawa. The seed?
Gawa.
The seeds are hard. Outside, huh?
Superstar. Mr. Whiskey found us. We are on our way.
It's really hot right now because the sun's out, and so doesn't feel too good on my spicy ass.
Oh. I'm gonna have to leave the camera behind. Don't want it to get wet.
But that's what we're gonna be doing over there.
Yep,
Bamboo
right
rafting.
over here. Bamboo rafting, guys. It's about to get real. We are wearing life vests. Juniper's gonna stay with Peapot. So they just built this raft right now out of these, and that's what we're gonna be riding on, guys.
Some Long Kong.
Ooh. What was it called?
Long Kong.
Long Kong.
My Long Kong.
My Long Kong. Woo. So river rafting was really fun. It was pretty full, the river was, so I almost died a few times. Those guys are strong. They like get down and they got their bamboo stick and they're like, "Wah!" And they're like, "Wah!" And they're like, "Wah!"
Is that how they are?
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty fun. I wish we could have recorded it, but I mean, I never fell off, but I didn't want to take that chance.
Yeah, Rowan almost broke my leg.
What? What happened?
Rowan almost broke my leg because she wasn't paying attention.
He's a wimp. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.
It's okay.
We are going to the highest waterfall in Shanghai. Cascades down a cliff of more than 100 meters high. My Pan Fall. Yes. Here we go. As I'm tripping. Are you guys ready? You're gonna see it when I see it. The other trek that you did?
Well, they're different. I like this one just as equally as the other one because the other one was good for if you're like, it was good for like being a single person, you know, just going on a jungle trek, but this one was really good for us as a family because there was nobody else here, so we didn't have to worry about anybody being bothered by Juniper. Paul was really nice. He was really good with the baby.
Amazing.
Yeah, he's such a good person, especially with making sure that Juniper was fed and that you know, she was enjoying herself. This one was a little bit harder though, because we went directly.
So hard.
Like we went straight down a mountain.
This was a mountain and this was us. Ah!
Yeah, we went straight up a mountain and then straight down a mountain, and I wasn't having that. I was a little.
He was slipping everywhere.
But the spots were really nice. Yeah. Plus, we had Cheng, so after a hard day hike, we had access to a few beers, so that was nice. And it felt short. It felt really short. 3 days doesn't really seem like a lot, I guess, for some people. Getting out of the
your comfort zone.
Yeah, getting out of your comfort zone. Seriously, getting out of your comfort zone. Like literally no fancy beds or anything to sleep in. Bucket showers were freezing, and you're dirty all the time. So, trek, either go through Mr. Whiskey or ask him. I don't know how to find him anywhere else, but yeah.
Hard to find.
Yeah, but Mr. Whiskey's definitely a really fun trek to do, especially if you're just trying to get raw and dirty and really see how like it feels to be living through hill trek. Because there's, I mean, literally no roads and stuff. So, I mean, you have to drive way out and you're right in the middle of the boonies. Yeah, we'll have to record this later. Okay, bye.
It was a really good trek.